Welcome back. I'm Marcus, your host here at Garmin's training video series. Does your lifestyle require you to have a rugged, well-built wearable that can withstand all the elements? Maybe you're a construction worker, park ranger, outdoor professional, or first responder. Or maybe you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for a well-built, rugged watch to use on your adventures. Well, stick around because today I want to tell you about the Garmin Instinct, a purpose-built watch made to take you into the extremes that you face every day. The Instinct is a rugged, reliable outdoor GPS watch built to US military standard 810G for thermal, shock, and water resistance. For those who don't know what that means, it's shockproof and it's rated to 100 meters underwater.
Marcus!
What?
What are you doing?
It says it's shockproof.
Seriously? Just stick to the script.
You guys never let me have any fun. Now, this standard addresses a broad range of environmental or transport conditions and replicates the effects of these environments on the equipment. Although prepared specifically for military applications, this standard is often used for today's commercial products as well. So what does that mean for you as a user? Ultimately, rain or shine, this watch is built to withstand the toughest environments. And with a fiber-reinforced polymer case, as well as a chemically strengthened, scratch-resistant display, it's made to endure. And just because you may be rough on your watch, doesn't mean you don't want one to match your style. Don't worry, we've got you covered. The Instinct comes in a variety of color options, including graphite, tundra, flame red, sunburst, lakeside blue, and even seafoam. Never been one to follow the beaten path? No problem. The Garmin Instinct has proven GPS functionality as well as GLONASS and Galileo support to track in more challenging environments than GPS alone. In addition, the built-in 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter help you keep your bearings. And if that's not enough, you can take the guesswork out of your return journey using our track back feature to navigate the same route back to your starting point. With the Instinct, even I can find my way back the next time I'm told to get lost. What? And for all of our dog tracking customers out there, with the Instinct, you can see dog tracking information right on your wrists when connected to compatible Garmin dog tracking handhelds. Know the direction of your dog, how far away it is, and more with this easy-to-use widget. For more information on how to set this up, visit support.garmin.com. Hey, did I mention that the Garmin Instinct is more than just a navigating device? No? Well, guess what? The Instinct allows you to take your training to the next level with preloaded activity profiles such as running, biking, and swimming, just to name a few. We want you to wear this watch all the time. That's right, the Instinct also gives you all-day wearability with wrist-based heart rate and stress tracking features, as well as connected features such as smart notifications for incoming calls and texts. So you can leave your phone in your pocket and stay connected to what matters. And with all of those features, it still boasts an impressive battery life. You'll get up to 14 days in smartwatch mode, up to 16 hours in GPS mode, and up to 40 hours in UltraTrack battery saver mode. But wait, there's more. You can even pair the Instinct with an inReach device. Once paired, your watch can display messages received on the inReach device and send preset messages using inReach satellite communication technology. Plus, you'll be able to trigger an SOS alert right on the Instinct to contact the GEO's 24/7 emergency response team and get the assistance you need when you need it most. Keep an eye out for future videos that go more in depth with our inReach products. Folks, this watch is amazing. As you can see, it's rugged, durable, stylish, and functional. From first responders to the avid adventurist and everyone in between, the Garmin Instinct is for a variety of users. And when you can rely on Instinct, the world can rely on you. Hey, thanks for taking time to learn a bit more about the Garmin Instinct. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn that notification bell on. For now, that's all I've got. This is Marcus from Garmin, wishing you all the best. And in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.